Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on INFINIX Zero 3XX552. So firstly you have to turn your device off by holding power key, and after it completely turns off you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up, for a few seconds to enter boot mode. In boot mode you can use volume up key to navigate through and volume power key to select, and you have to select first option, recovery mode. After Android icon appears and there is a message no command, hold down power key and press volume up once to open recovery mode menu. Here in recovery mode you have such options like reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe that data factory reset, wipe cache partition, backup user data, restore user data, root integrity check, mount system, view recovery logs, and power off. So to navigate through recovery mode you use volume keys, and to select use power key. To exit recovery mode, select first option, reboot system now. Your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.